UCAN has expanded its line of popular torpedo rod hangers. It now includes both concrete and wood rod hangers for hanging 3/8-inch diameter threaded rod. Installation of the concrete rod hanger is a snap with UCAN's screw tool plus RH kit. Drill a hole with the included SDS Plus Long Life 4-cutter bit. Click the sleeve including UCAN's depth-sensitive TST RH setting tool onto the drill bit. Then run the anchor into the hole. That's it. The tool will disengage from the anchor when it's flush with the concrete surface for a perfect setting every time. The wood rod hanger is installed with UCAN's TST RH setting tool alone. A convenient adapter for 1/2-inch impact wrenches is also available. UCAN Torpedo Rod Hanger System. Fast, efficient, reliable. UCAN, building lasting connections.